Allah the Almighty revealed, Remember when your Lord said to the angels, Verily, I am going to place mankind generations after generations on earth. They said, Will you place therein those who will make mischief therein and shed blood? While we glorify you with praises and thanks, exalted be you above all that they associate with you as partners, and sanctify you. Allah said, I know that which you do not know. Allah taught Adam all the names of everything. Then he showed them to the angels and said, Tell me the names of these if you are truthful. The angels said, Glory be to you. We have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Verily, it is you, the All-Knower, the All-Wise. He said, O Adam, inform them of their names. And when he had informed them of their names, he said, Did I not tell you that I know the unseen in the heavens and the earth? And I know what you reveal and what you have been hiding. Remember when we said to the angels, Prostrate yourself before Adam, they prostrated except Iblis. He refused and was proud and was one of the disbelievers, disobedient to Allah. We said, O Adam, dwell you and your wife in the paradise and both of you freely with pleasure and delight of things therein as wherever you will, but come not near this tree or you both will be of the Zalimin, wrongdoers. Then the Satan made them slip therefrom.